Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to talk about our enterprise grade AI knowledge co-pilot. So which we discussed in our class, right? So thanks to Sudhanshu given this task us to perform. So yeah, based on this, I have created this project, and yeah, let me share my screen and take me through. Mm, yes. So I think my screen is visible and I'll switch off the video. So yeah, so this is where I will log in. One second. Okay, it's signing in. Yes. So this is the command center dashboard. So whatever data we have, right? So based on that, it's given the total queries, total document index, satisfaction, average response time, active user, everything, right? Okay, so if you go here, daily activity feed, recent activity, so total active user. So yeah, I am the only one. So total token have used, response time distribution and fixed distribution, so everything. So this is nothing but a industry level dashboard. Okay, so where you can create your own workflow, you can create your own agent, you can create your meeting, you can upload your all the knowledge base. So based on that, you can chat, you can voice search, even with video also you can do. So this is the very basic things, basic very small level POC. I would say I have spent around 10 to 12 hours, not more than that. But yes, if we spend a good amount of time, I'm pretty sure we can build such a wonderful system, right? So here is the based on the number of aging days, if you select, so your all the data is going to change, right? So here we have the chat option. Let me click that. Okay, so I have kept few questions handy. Okay, so if I go and type, okay, obviously it will be the my knowledge base. I mean, some my organization knowledge base, right? So those information will be available, right? So let me type what are our security policy. So it will search in unknown knowledge base, and based on that, it will provide the answer. So it's a RAG-based system, right? So yes, so you can see all these things have consolidated and give it to you. Okay. So here is the main knowledge base. So here we can upload our data. Okay. And yeah, through here also you can upload it. This is the managed source. Okay, so you can connect your to the Google Drive. If you go to settings, you'll give. So you and even you can enable auto sync every 30 minutes. It will get sync. So 15 minutes in a day. So all these options. So here you have the fold from which folder it will sync, and PDF documents, whatever it is, right? Same thing from Confluence. Okay, Slack, GitHub, and you can add couple of places, right? So here you have AWS, Notion, SharePoint, everything, right? So based on your use case, you can configure all those. So if something uploaded, say here it is failed process, I think there are some issue into this data. Huh? So that is previous data, it's done. Okay, this one I think in Excel is option I not give any yes, so that's the reason it's giving issue. So if I give any text data, definitely it will pull. So similar way, if you go and see here in search option, right, I can search it. So all those options it's available. Here is the voice search option. So let me take a topic and asked. Uh, what what does the financial report Q4 contain? What does the financial report Q4 contain? কি না বন্ধ করে দিয়েছি।
A Q4 financial report, or fourth quarter report, provides a snapshot of a company's financial performance for the last 3 months of its fiscal year. It typically includes the three core financial statements. You'll find the income statement showing revenues, expenses, and net profit or loss for the quarter. The balance sheet details assets, liabilities, and equity at the end of the period. And the cash flow statement tracks how cash was generated and used across operating, investing, and financing activities. Since it's the final quarter, these reports often present not only the Q4 results, but also the full annual results. Additionally, they usually contain footnotes, a management discussion and analysis, or MD&A section explaining the results, and sometimes an auditor's report.
Okay, tell me about our product roadmap for 2026.
That's a great question about our 2026 product roadmap. As an AI, I don't have access to specific internal future data development plans or proprietary company roadmaps. These plans are usually dynamic and confidential. For the most accurate and up to date information, I'd recommend checking with our product management team, reviewing internal documentation, or attending any company wide product strategy meetings. They would have the definitive details on what's planned.
Explain our onboarding document checklist.
Our onboarding document checklist is essentially a guide for new hires, outlining all the necessary paperwork they need to complete or provide when joining our team. It helps ensure we collect all the critical information right from the start. The main purpose is to ensure compliance with legal and HR requirements, set up payroll and benefits correctly, and get our new team members integrated smoothly. It covers everything from identification and tax forms to direct deposit information and acknowledgments of company policies. Think of it as a clear roadmap to make sure no crucial steps are missed, allowing us to process their employment efficiently and get them ready to contribute quickly.
Okay, now let's move to video part.
Hello, I'm Forge, your KnowledgeForge AI co-pilot. I can help answer questions about our organization's knowledge base, including documents, policies, and technical information. What would you like to know about today?
Tell me about our infrastructure architecture.
Our infrastructure uses a microservices-based architecture with independent and loosely coupled services deployed primarily on AWS. We leverage services like Amazon EKS for container orchestration, Amazon RDS for database management, and Amazon S3 for object storage. For serverless functions, we use AWS Lambda, and Amazon API Gateway handles API management. Networking is managed with AWS VPC, load balancers and firewalls, and security is integrated at every layer using IAM, security groups, and encryption. We also use AWS CloudWatch for monitoring. This information comes from the Infrastructure Overview PDF.
Okay. Summarize the sales playbook.
I'm sorry, I don't have information about summarize the sales in our knowledge base.
Okay.
I can provide details from the documents available to me.
What is in HR policy manual?
The HR policy manual outlines our company's guidelines and procedures for employees. It covers topics such as employee conduct, leave policies including vacation and sick leave, health and retirement benefits, performance management, and disciplinary actions. You can find more details in the HR policy manual document.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I'm good.
Great. Feel free to ask if anything else comes up. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, so this is the video part. Then if I go to meeting, so here have the meeting, here have the integration. You can Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iOS Calendar. You can connect it. Okay, and here is the new event. So we can put everything. So definitely it is going to customize with our calendar. Create one. So whatever it is. And this is if anything your calendar. So those things will show. So sorry. Next thing is agent. So here all the different agent we have. So here we can execute the agent and all those part, right? And not only that, here again you can create your own agent. So give the name LLM, which LLM model, and you can configure it accordingly. So this is the agent part. And yeah, so there are a lot of additional customization you can do. So I have done the very basic part as of now. Okay, here is the workflow creation. So you can create your own new workflow. So everything you can add the step, whatever you want to. Okay, so action, AI action, conditional action, anything you want to add, all those things you can. It's manual, or else if you want to, like the schedule it, you can schedule it. So those things. Here already this workflow I was testing it. So here you can edit all those things. You can add any new additional step if it is you need. And apart from that, you can active, you can pause, you can see, you can pause it, you can delete it, everything, all the features are available. And here is the detail analytics analysis. Okay, it will come. So although based on our data, it will show the analysis. You can download this report. So once you click it will get download. Here you can close light theme, dark theme. Here is the quick search option you have. So if you click on that, it will take you into particular tab. And here you have your profile option. So you can go and check your profile. Yeah, here it came profile option. And you can change your password, all those things. And here you have the setting option also. So dark mode, light mode, all configuration means which model you want to use. So those things also it's available. So yeah, so these are the quick thing I have done. So I'll post it in YouTube and I'll give my GitHub link in the below. So you guys can go through that. And yeah, you can, it's ready to use. So put your own API key and you'll be able to use it. So thanks for watching and see you soon.